English to French. Go equals.
Aller.
Master the went forms fast. Welcome. Hey, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we'll make go in English map to French.
Aller.
And you'll nail the most useful went forms with laughs, mini dialogues, and quick wins. Buckle up, your French is about to, well,
Aller.
your goal today. In just minutes, you'll confidently say who went where and how it went. Speak boldly, use the informal to with friends. Base verb.
Aller.
Equals to go. You went, informal, mask.
Tu es allé.
He went.
Il est allé.
She went.
Elle est allée.
It went, an event went.
Ça s'est passé.
We went.
Nous sommes allés.
You went, plural, formal.
Vous êtes allés.
They went.
Ils sont allés.
Mini dialogues. Repeat after me and act it out, gesture, smile, and own it. A. Did you make it? B. Yes, I'm proud, you went early.
Tu es allé.
Taught. A. Where's Max? B. He went to the park.
Il est allé.
Oh, park. A. And Emma? B. She went by bus.
Elle est allée.
N bus. A. How did the meeting go? B. It went smoothly.
Ça s'est passé.
Sans problème. A. Weekend recap? B. We went to the museum.
Nous sommes allés.
Au musée. Guide to a group. You went the right way.
Vous êtes allés.
Du bon côté. Report. They went home after dinner.
Ils sont allés.
À la maison. Quick forms drill. Hear the English, say the French out loud. I'll give you a pause, then the answer. You went, informal. Answer.
Tu es allé.
He went. Answer.
Il est allé.
She went. Answer.
Elle est allée.
It went, the event went. Answer.
Ça s'est passé.
We went. Answer.
Nous sommes allés.
You went, plural, formal. Answer.
Vous êtes allés.
They went. Answer.
Ils sont allés.
Culture tip plus a smile. Make your memory sticky with culture and a tiny joke. At games in France, you'll hear the cheer, come on. From the verb, to go.
Aller.
Root.
Aller.
Picture a coach yelling.
Aller.
And you'll never forget it. Joke time. A French snail promised to go fast today, then took a 2-hour nap. Update. The race?
Ça s'est passé.
Quand meme. Lightning quiz. Answer fast, say it out loud. I'll reveal the answer after a beat. Q1. English, to go, in French? A.
Aller.
Q2. He went? A.
Il est allé.
Q3. She went? A.
Elle est allée.
Q4. We went? A.
Nous sommes allés.
Q5. You went, plural, formal. A.
Vous êtes allés.
Q6. They went? A.
Ils sont allés.
Q7. How did it go? It went well, starts with A.
Ça s'est passé.
E.g.
Ça s'est bien passé.
Closing parenthesis dot. Q8. You went, informal, mask. A.
Tu es allé.
Your speaking challenge. Time to own it. Speak 3 mini lines right now. 1. Say, we went to the beach. Model.
Nous sommes allés.
À la plage. 2. Say, how did it go? It went fine. Model.
Comment ça s'est passé? Ça s'est passé.
Bien. 3. Say to a friend, informal, you went before me. Model.
Tu es allé.
Avant moi. Thanks and goodbye. Nice work, your French just leveled up. You mastered go equals.
Allé.
And the must-have went crew.
Tu es allé. Il est allé. Elle est allée. Ça s'est passé. Nous sommes allés. Vous êtes allés. Ils sont allés.
Keep practicing, smile when you hear.
Allez.
And come back tomorrow. Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, transcripts, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com.